Big Muscle again, welcome back. Aviation Museum we at today, Warner Robins, Georgia. And we're looking at this plane. It's the funniest looking plane I've ever seen. I mean, look at this thing. My word. Okay, where's the information about this plane? Let's get some information. Let's get the information. Looks like a reconnaissance plane. Satellite in the top, probably up there. And this is the C-121C Constellation. This is it. Let's go next door, see what's over here. And like I said, guys, my gimbal is arriving soon, so you guys will get smoother footages. I know I'm trying my best here to hold this. I have a fixed gimbal, so it's not doing the best job of giving you. This is a C-54G Skymaster, and here the information about it. Yeah, like I was saying, the gimbal is not giving me the best performance as far as it giving you a very still image, but we're taking care of that. Very broad wingspan. This next plane, look at it. This is the C-119C flying box car. So this is the C-119C flying box car, and here's the information about the plane. Okay. Flying box car. It's a very funny looking plane too. Let's look around the back. That's probably why they call it a box car. Now look at this. Yeah, this is probably why they call it a box car, because it's shaped like a box. It's shaped like a box car. Okay.